You want to create great content that connects in a meaningful way, and you want to make it bilingual. Well, I'm here to tell you how to take it step by step. You will use these tools to generate the quality bilingual content you desired and the multicultural connection you envision. Your web and social platforms will add value to a wider audience with the authentic message which only you can create, cultivate, and communicate. Welcome to this short and sweet tutorial on your content creation bundle. I'm super excited that you made a choice to up-level your content creation and want to go the extra mile by making it bilingual. I'm Gaba, the bilingual creator behind the Creative Confidential blog and the Creative Atelier social platforms. I developed these tools for myself, and by sharing them with you, I hope to add value to your own content creation journey. Now, grab your copy of the tools and let's dive right into the main topics we'll cover in this tutorial. I use the tools in their digital form as editable PDFs. You can, of course, print them. The one-page blog content planner and the checklist could be placed inside clear sheet protectors to write on and reuse. Or you can make copies as you need them and keep them in a binder for future reference. The main topics we'll cover in this tutorial will be the 3 content creation tools included in your bundle. The cheat sheet points to specific elements you need to think about when developing and writing content for your web and social platforms. The one page is a template for writing content following the storytelling path of the hero's journey. The checklist will make sure your final draft is optimized and hits the important points of connection with your wider audience. Let's start with the cheat sheet. The cheat sheet was designed to be a scaffolding tool for your content creation strategy. This tool will make the process of content creation flow smoothly. It will give you easy steps to follow and prompts for mental clarity and creativity to come to the surface. You'll find a short list of questions you should ask yourself before you start creating your content. These questions touch on the core points you need to assess. Then, you'll find the key elements you must keep in mind when writing web and social content that connects. Language, objectives, story, call to action. Variety, interest, engagement, and measurement. I encourage you to use this cheat sheet whenever you are about to start your next content creation session. It will allow you to take a fresh look at the core aspects of your business and brand and the why behind the message you want to communicate. Again, I suggest you download this tool as a PDF. You can save it in your tablet or phone for quick reference as you work. In my case, I use the Sodo app on my tablet. The one page is a simple blog planning template designed according to the copywriting format of the hero's journey. The purpose of the blog content one page is to have every section of the post or article you're drafting or writing right in front of you. It simplifies the hero's journey format to its basic keywords and reminds you of the elements that must be included in your copy to make it strategic and optimized for SEO. The one page is divided into 3 main sections: SEO section, this is where you'll set the title, keyword, links, as well as the story type. Top segment of the hero's journey, crossing from known to adventure. The bottom segment of the hero's journey, going from unknown to transformation. This is the tool to use when you are drafting and then writing your content. You can start batching your content with a one page and later proceed to write or pick the topics that truly align with your goals and the story types that will ensure variety of content. This is one tool for which the Sodo app comes in handy. Instead of printing out your pages, you can start working on the editable PDF and have it as reference as you put together your draft. The bilingual checklist pulls together in one check-offable list all the key aspects you or your bilingual copywriter should keep top of mind when writing content for a different language and culture. The checklist sets the 8 core items that you, your copywriter or translator, should assess to make sure that a piece of content fulfills basic copy goals and multicultural expectations. This should be a jumping-off tool to inspire a longer and more specific list based on your target audience, brand, business, and goals. Again, this is the check-offable list of basic elements you need to assess before every piece of content goes live on your web and social platforms. Use this checklist to assess every final draft. You can save it and open it using Sodo or other editable PDF apps to check each item, keep a copy for your post or project file, and saved a blank copy. Okay, you got this. Step 1. Review your cheat sheet and assess your content creation goals. Step 2. Follow the one-page template and the hero's journey to a flushed-out post. Step 3. Make sure your content is relevant and has your wider audience in mind. As you can see, these tools are simple and easy to use. Keep the cheat sheet handy for reference and to guide the assessment of your content strategy every time you sit down to write a piece of content. Take out your blog one page and make sure you hit every beat of your hero's journey. Check that your content keeps top of mind the language, perspective, and culture of your wider audience while staying true to your authentic voice. If you're working with a bilingual content writer or translator, you can provide them the bilingual content checklist to make sure they not only deliver a piece of content in the second language, but are mindful of the key elements that are most important when writing content that connects. Finally, I want to remind you that I'm here to help. If you have any questions or comments or need additional guidance, don't hesitate to reach out. You can find me all over social media under these handles. I want to thank you again for saying yes, I want it to the Content Creation Bundle. And if you gain any value from using these tools, as I hope you will, I would appreciate a review or testimonial. Click the link under this video to send some good vibes my way. I'm grateful to have spent this time with you. Until next time, ciao!